Secluded in the midst of pristine woodland, east of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, you'll discover two exceptional mountain lodges of Branam Hollow Road. 345 Branam Hollow Road provides 4 bedrooms on 2 levels on over 5.5 acres, offering breathtaking mountain views. This cabin offers maximum sleeping area for an excellent return on your investment. Step inside to a cozy living area facing the wood-burning fireplace and an open design that features the chef's island kitchen. It's just a step or two to the spacious dining area. Step out onto the back deck and just take in that magnificent Smoky Mountain view. Not only for lounging, but immerse yourself in the first of 2 invigorating hot tubs on the main and upstairs. All your bedrooms offer comfort, style, and privacy, whether on the main or your upper floor. From the bunk style to your master. And your accompanying baths provide style throughout. Of course, there's the game room, where you can lounge by the stone fireplace while taking in your favorite show, or enjoy a great game of pool with friends. With so many more amenities, 345 Branam Hollow Road is part of a full estate available, including a fully equipped barn, and 341 Branam Hollow Road for a total of 14 acres. Schedule your private tour today. Call Charity Brown with Tennessee Elite Realty direct at 865-659-0254.